Leghorn. Leghorn chickens are adventurous, spirited, friendly, and wondrous egg layers. First developed in Livigno, it is an Italian Leghorn. The British brought this bird in 1980s. They became a popular purebred chicken in America and later Australia. The Leghorn chicken's egg-laying powers. They have the savvy attitude and bold personalities. Made them the most common purebred fowl in Australia in the early 90s. We love Leghorn chickens, and not just for their ability to lay generous sized brick white eggs on a regular basis. They have a very good look and they can climatize easily in any environment. The next one is the 15th one called the Success. Success, Suxxxex. Suxxex. Chickens are a brilliant addition to any backyard chicken coop because they looked very nice. Sausage chickens coop looking for a chook with grace. They are friendly in nature. Their long and distinguished family background and kind and curious nature make sausage chicken perfect for novice chicken keepers and those wanting a friendly hand to add to their growing backyard margarine. You will never be alone with a sausage chicken. These gears make wonderful companion bears. They enjoy the spoil of being part of their beloved family, foraging alongside you and taking a turn about the garden grounds, but are just as content when mingling with their fellow splendid fowls in the garden, the coop or the chicken run, and finding their place in the pecking order of society. The next one is the Aracuna, number 16. Aracuna are eye-catching chickens that always leave an impression in or outside the coop. These uniquely feathered blue egg-laying beauties sure know how to stand out in a world clutch full of all kinds of pretty poultry birds. From their energetic personalities to their distinctive feathering, there is simple nothing ordinary about Racuna chicken. These gears were made to stand out. Stick to your beak into the reasons why we should keep them around us. They are lovely. They are beautiful. They have very good nature and they are adventurous. Get one today and have more wonderful look for them. Number 17 is the Wyandotte. Wyandotte chickens are bold, beautiful, and brassy birds, both inside and out. The Wyandotte breed was first established in 1883 in North America, having admired the perfect plumage of the British Sebright chicken. American breeders set out to create a practical but no less pretty version to suit the new world. Popularity was slow growing, but eventually Wyandotte chickens became main players on the dual-purpose sense, providing meat and eggs for a fast-moving America. This bold temperament and stunning array of plumage colors make them a great choice for backyard chicken keepers who want an easy-going and easy-on-the-eye chook to add to their flock. These are the qualities that differentiate Wyandotte chickens from other breeds. Pretty hair. When it comes to pretty plumage, Wyandotte chickens have it in the bag. Their feathers comes in a very wide variety of colors and patterns that never fail to please in the looks department. And easygoing chicks. While a chicken's look are nice and all, it's not the reason most chicken keepers fall hopelessly in love with their Wyandotte chickens. These lovely hens have more to offer the world than their well-dressed looks and gorgeous red rose combs. Wendell chickens are bold, both easygoing girls that make great companion pets. They are happy to forage by your side while you are guarding, and also they have very nice look. These chickens love to chat and will keep you entertained with their backyard banter, chips, and noise. They have beautiful eggs. That is beautiful eggs from beautiful birds. They have very good looks and a very high personality. But do they have the skills to pay the bills? Vendors are great egg layers, gifting their lucky keepers with 200 or more eggs per year. Their lovely light brown colors will keep you happy and healthy, perfect for the next excellent egg dish to wow your friends and family with Wendots. They are known to lay eggs through the colder months when other hens hang up their egg layer hats for winter. They are marvelous mother hen. Looking for a foster mother hen for your batch of fertilized eggs? Look no more further than Wendell chickens. You need a mother hen who will raise baby chicks as if they were her own. Wendell make great mummies. They can hatch, they can rear their chicks. Number 18, Minoka. Minoka chickens are gracefully and energetic serenoters that share their name with a beautiful island of the west coast of Spain. Adopted by the British in the late 18th century, these sleek ladies with spicy personalities were hugely popular for approximately 100 years before being trumped by hybrid breeds and other more prolific laying hens in the late 20th century. Now on the verge of extinction, these truly remarkable ladies deserve to have their names up in lights in backyard cubes all over the world. Minoka chooks really need no explanation because they are extraordinarily beautiful and enticing. They lay enticing eggs and they are wonderful homemade chickens. The Minota chicks lay very beautiful eggs. They lay enormous chalky white eggs. Some chicken ladies and lads like their eggs big, bold and beautiful. Who could resist ping pong ball size yolk skinny dipping in egg white? Not any egg lover. I know Minota chickens are the perfect chook for anyone looking for hearty eggs that are simply larger than your average backyard bounty. These gifted girls tend to lay around 170 to 220 ghostly white eggs per year and can normally sustain their eggs output throughout the cooler winter months. How extraordinarily these birds are. These Spanish darling used to lay more prolific eggs. However, due to selective breeding designed to highlight certain features, such as their distinctive alabaster earlobes, this sadly resulted in a decline in their average yearly egg count. If you love Minoka chickens but are looking for some girls to lay more vibrantly colored eggs, be sure to dip your beak into their fold. Everyone looks great in soft black feathers. Let's be honest, Minoka chickens are simply a 10 out of 10 in the looks department. Their slender bodies slice through the air as they leap across the chicken run like a company of fleet-footed barbarians. Though sometimes available with white or blue plumage, these Spanish princesses look best in daring black. Like ionic fashionists, they are very awesome. They look vibrant. Minoka chickens know that every woman look best in something short, black and sassy. They are very wonderful. Number 19. The Falvorose. Everyone who kills Falvorose are always delighted by how sweet, gentle, and social they are. Many families love to feed their yard with Falvorose because they make excellent companions for their young kids. These girls love to be kissed and cuddled and wouldn't dream of pecking, poking, or scratching anyone. The downside of their peace-loving nature is the fact that they can sometimes be preyed upon by less well-meaning chickens, which can result in both of bitter conflict between power-hungry chooks and the harmless Falvorose. An exclusive flock of Falvorose would essentially be a peaceful commune of gentle-hearted chooks, grazing in the garden, exchanging kisses, cuddles, and friendly greetings with their feathered friends, and just generally being saintly figured of grace, wonders, and delight. With this in mind, drama is the spice of life, and sometimes it's better to have a mixed flock of sassy and fantastic personalities. If you need some silent advice on how to combine different breeds into a single flock, watch this video till the end. The next breed is Sea Bright, number 20. Sea Bright chickens are unique and exotic looking ladies with sweet temperament and penchant of curiosity. In the early 1980s, Sir John Sebright, a member of the British Parliament and avid animal keeper, set out to create his vision of the perfect chicken. The resulting fantastically feathered fowl was the Sebright's bantam, and these small but perfectly formed birds became popular with high-flopping poultry fanciers across the British Isles and beyond. The Sebright breed is very good breed. They were developed from a mix of the Polish, Nankin, and Humboldt breeds of chicken. These rare and individual birds can be hardy to find, but once you have owned a Sebright chicken, you will forever be changed. Curious to know more about Sebright chicken? Watch this video till the end and part 2 of it. No matter the chicken you choose for your backyard buddies, make sure that you have got the knowledge you need to raise a happy, healthy flock. Do you know that 67 to 70% chicken keepers surveyed experienced a chicken health or behavior issues in the first 12 months that they didn't know about how to handle them? But don't worry, our feathered friends called chicken are very good. They are lovely. They are beautiful. Start one breed today and make them friends. All of this video is centered on different breeds of chicken. Make them friends and let's see how they work for you. Goodbye. Till I come your way once again with the second part of this video training on the reasons why you should keep all these breeds in your backyard cube. Bye. This is the Poultry Site TV. The Poultry Site TV is a global network. It is a forum for all global farmers. This is where you get unlimited information, training, and updates on poultry and livestock business in general. This is a channel that gives you maximum support to grow your agri-business profitably. If by now you have not subscribed to this channel, look for the subscription button below and click subscribe. Once you are subscribed to this channel, you always get unlimited notification of our upcoming videos. If you have any question regarding this particular content, if anything is not clear to you, ask your questions, make your comments, and I will respond to them at appropriate time. Thank you once again for keeping your subscription intact in this channel. I remain your humble servant and the instructor, Dr. Leonard Charles Nwogu. You are highly welcome. Keep your subscription intact. Share the links to your friends, groups, platforms, and relatives. Let them know this channel. Invite them to this channel where they will get succor to their poultry problems. Thank you once again. Remain blessed till I come your way once again with another interesting topic and content. Bye for now.